Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Automates channel. In this video, we are going to see one common Java program asked in most of the interviews about static keyword usage. So you have to explain what is the output of this program and you have to explain the logic behind the execution, like which block of code will be executed first. Okay, so here I have three blocks of code. Okay, this is a static block of code named sample, and this is a static block which just have one print statement. Static block is executed, and this is our main Java program. So first you have to explain which block of code will be executed first. Okay, so here I have a static block, right? Whether this will be executed or this method will be executed or the main Java program will be executed first. So let's execute the program and then I'll explain the logic behind it. So static block is executed. So this block of code is executed before our main Java program. Okay. So many candidates might answer main Java program will be executed first. No, that's wrong. So whenever we have a static block of code, this block of code will be executed before our main Java program. That is how this static block of code will be executed. It will be executed before our main Java program. Okay. So what is executed next is value of I within static method is 20. Okay. This block of code is executed. Okay. Because I'm calling this method in our main Java program. Sample method, I'm calling it in the main Java program. So this is executed second. Okay. So here what I am doing, I have declared an integer, static integer called I and assigned value 10 to it. Okay. Here I am just adding another integer 10 to the I, which is 10 plus 10 equal to 20. So the value of I is 20 now. Is 20 now. Okay. So in this method, the value of I is 20 now. Okay. So here the value of I is 20. Okay. This method sample is the method name here. So the value of I here is 20 now. And yeah, the value of I within the main method is 20. And the next line is printed here. The I value is currently 20, right? So it's printed in the output. Okay. So one more major thing in this program is, can anyone guess what will be the value of I now? So I am adding a integer 20 to the value I. Okay. So here the value of I is 10. And this block of code has the value I value as 20. So what will be taken here? So can anyone guess what will be the value of I now? Okay, what will be the value of I now? So most of the people answer it wrong here. They calculate this value 10 to 20 and they answer it. The value of current value of I is 20. Sorry, 30. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, what will be the value? Let's execute the program and I'll explain the logic behind it. The value of I is 40 now. Okay, this is how static block of code will be executed. Okay, let me explain with the diagram. Initially, the value of I was 10. Okay, and then what we did is we added a value 10 to it, and currently the value of I is 20. Okay, currently the value of I is 20. So, how static block of code will be working is Java will allocate only one memory to the static variable. Okay, only one memory will be allocated to this static memory. So the value of I is 20 here. In this block of code, the value of I is 20. So what current value is 20. So that 20 will be taken here. Okay, 20 will be taken as the I value here, and 20 plus 20 equal to 40 will be printed in the output. I have seen many candidates answer it wrong during the interviews. What people will do is they will take the I value as 10 and they will add it here. 10 plus 20 equal to 30 will be the output. But that is wrong. Okay. Since we are using static keyword, Java will allocate only one memory. Okay. So the value of I here is 20 and that value will be taken here. Okay. This is a major Java program asked in most of the interviews. Okay, so initially static block got executed and then this sample method got executed. I am calling this sample method inside our main Java program. And finally, the value of I is printed. Okay, let us see one more example for static keyword usage. So in this program, I have declared three string variables named student name, university name, and course name. Okay, let's see the main program. So if you see here, for the student, Jaya, university name is Anna University, and for Sweta, university name is Anna University, and for Ajay also, university name is Anna University. So we can assume that for all the students, university name is constant throughout the application. So what we can do here, we can make this as static. Only one memory will be allocated by Java to this university name as Anna University. Okay. So let us make it as static and assign value directly here. What's the university name? Anna University. Okay, so these lines of code is not required now because we have made this as static. So what basically we have done, we have saved lot of memory here. Okay, we don't have to code this university name for all these students. Consider there are 1,000 students. We don't have to code 1,000 lines for all these students. We have to just make it a static and call it directly to our main Java program. Okay, so basically this is how memory management is showed by static keyword. Okay, only one memory will be allocated by Java for this variable. So we have saved like 1,000 lines of code by using this static keyword. Okay, let's see one more example for static keyword usage. So here, if you see here, I have a normal method, which means I have not used static keyword here. So I am calling this as a normal method. And here I have another method using static keyword. So I'm calling this as a static method because I'm using static keyword here. Okay. So here I'm just creating an object. Okay. And what I'm doing, I'm calling the normal method in my main Java program. So for calling the normal method to our main program, we require the help of objects. Okay. So without creating object, we cannot call this normal method. Okay. Let me try with by deleting the object name here. You see here, there is an error displayed here. Okay. Because for calling a normal method, we need objects. Okay. We created this object one, right? With the help of object, we can call the normal method to our main program. Whereas if you see here, the static method can be called without using an object also. Okay. So we do not require the help of objects for calling a static method. Okay. Objects are not required for calling static method. So this is one more point to explain during the interview if interviewer asks about the usage of static keyword. Okay. I hope this video will be really useful for you. So please subscribe my channel for more Java and testing related videos. Thank you. Bye.